One of the most useful tools available on the internet today is Maps. To get started, tap on Maps. To find a map of a particular city or location, just tap on the search field and enter the address, the city name, or even just the zip code. If you want to find your location at any given moment, iPhone 3G knows where you are, even if you don't. Tap the tracking button, and iPhone's built-in GPS technology will zero in on your current location and track you as you move from place to place. And if a GPS signal isn't available, iPhone can determine your position using Wi-Fi and cellular tower information. With any map, you can zoom in on a section by pinching or double tapping. To zoom out, tap once with 2 fingers. And to pan around, simply move your finger across the map. I'm going to look for pizza. I tap in the search field, type pizza, then search. Looks like I have quite a few options, and you can see each by tapping on the pin. Tap the blue arrow to see all the details for the restaurant, including address, website, and phone number. I can even bookmark it. Getting directions to the restaurant is simple. Tap here and notice my current location is already set. Tap Route and get ready for the trip. The only unknown is traffic, but Maps even has that taken care of. Curl up the map page to reveal other options, including the ability to change the map view, drop a pin, and show the current local traffic conditions. Green lines indicate everything is flowing smoothly, while yellow and red lines mean problems ahead. From here to the restaurant, all you or your co-pilot have to do is step through the directions and enjoy the trip. To check the weather forecast in a city, start by tapping on the Weather button. You can flick through different cities by dragging your finger left or right. To add a new city, tap the Information button. Then tap Plus and type the name of the city. Then tap Search and done. You can even tell the difference between day and night. The Stocks application shows a list of company stock quotes and a graph of their share price over time. Tapping here toggles this information between the percent gain or loss and the absolute gain or loss. Developers from all over the world can create new and innovative applications. Games pop off of iPhone's widescreen display with incredible 3D graphics and 3D positional sound. To browse and shop for iPhone applications, just tap the App Store button. Tapping an item will display the application's details, where you can read the description, view a screenshot, or see reviews from other people. To buy the application, or to download one of the many free applications, just tap here. Then tap Buy Now to download. If prompted, type in your iTunes account password. Once you've purchased an application, it'll appear on the home screen. The progress bar indicates that it's currently downloading. It can be downloaded over the wireless cellular network, but if the size of the app is large, you may be instructed to use Wi-Fi. After the download is complete, just tap on the application to launch it. When you connect iPhone to your PC or Mac, it automatically shows up in iTunes ready to sync. iTunes will then show you several tabs where you can manage the content on your iPhone. The Summary tab displays basic information about your iPhone. Check here for any software updates or to perform a software restore if necessary. The Info tab is where you select which address books, calendars, and web bookmarks you'd like to sync with iPhone. If you've made your own unique ringtones in iTunes, you can sync them to iPhone from here. The Music tab displays a list of all of your iTunes playlists. You can sync your entire music library or sync specific playlists. iPhone is a great way to show off your pictures. To select which photos to sync, use the Photos tab. In the Podcasts tab, you can choose the audio and video podcast you'd like to sync. The Video tab lets you sync your TV shows and movies. Remember, video files, especially feature films, can take up significant space and a bit of time to sync. So to get started quickly, Just choose the most recent or unwatched TV show you like, or your favorite movie. If you download an application from the App Store to your desktop, you can sync the application to your iPhone from here in the Apps tab. When you're done making your selections, just click on Apply and iTunes will do the rest. iTunes displays the status of your sync and alerts you when it's okay to disconnect. This bar at the bottom shows you how much room you have left on your iPhone and updates every time you sync. If you run out of room, iTunes will prompt you to remove some content. If you happen to receive a call while syncing, iTunes will cancel the sync to allow you to answer the phone. If you have websites that you frequently check, a favorite newspaper, blog, or sports site, why not create an icon on the home screen that will take you directly there? Let's say you like to check the New York Times every morning. Notice the plus button. Tapping the plus brings up a menu where you can add a bookmark, add to home screen, or email someone a link to this website. If you tap Add to Home Screen, you can rename the icon, then tap Add to place the new web clip on your home screen. Another great way to personalize your iPhone is to customize the icons on your home screens. You can arrange the icons however you like, change the icons on your dock, and even have multiple home screen pages. In fact, you can have up to 9 home screen pages with space for web clips, web apps, and applications from the App Store. To customize the arrangement of icons on your home screen, tap and hold any icon for a second or two until you see all the icons start to wiggle. You can then drag any icon to a new location. To move an icon to a different home screen, drag the icon to the edge of the screen and slide to the next page. If you'd like a different icon in the dock, first move one away, then drag a new one in. The dock icons are displayed on every home screen. If you want to delete a web clip, just tap the X in the upper left of the icon, then tap Delete to confirm. When you're finished customizing your home screens, press the Home button to lock everything in place. If you have multiple pages, the total number of pages and the position of the currently displayed page will be shown here. To move between home screens, just flick left or right. iPhone comes preloaded with some great ringtones, and you can even add your own. Tap Settings, Sounds, and then tap here to see all the ringtones on your iPhone. To listen to a ringtone, just tap it. A check mark indicates which ringtone will be used when your phone rings. Custom ringtones you've made in iTunes will appear at the top of the list. To personalize your iPhone even more, you can also assign ringtones to different people in your address book. With custom ringtones, everyone you know can have their own unique identifying sound. You can select an image on your iPhone to use as your wallpaper. To change your wallpaper, tap Wallpaper. You can select a new wallpaper image from the default gallery or any other image on your iPhone. Find a new image, then press Set Wallpaper. Want to keep using your iPhone after your plane takes off? Just turn on airplane mode. With airplane mode activated, your iPhone won't emit cellular, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth signals. That means you can keep listening to music, watching a movie, or playing a game while en route. And if your flight offers a Wi-Fi data connection, you can turn Wi-Fi back on without turning on your cellular radio. So that's a brief look at iPhone 3G. I've shown you what a revolutionary phone it is, how it's a great widescreen iPod, and how it delivers the incredible power of having the real internet wherever you are. All of this combined into one small, amazing device that now keeps you connected around the world on fast 3G cellular networks. If you don't already have an iPhone, nothing compares to holding one in your own hand and experiencing each amazing iPhone feature. Go to your local Apple or AT&T store to experience one for yourself. Thank you.